Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed the new module second. So in this module we discuss the introduction to optical resonator, and second topic is action of optical resonator. So now today we are going to start the new topic, threshold condition. So in this threshold condition, we can see the as the light becomes back and forth in the form of optical resonator. So optical resonator light bounces back and forth form. So amplification suffers for various directions. The amplifications of photon can be suffered in any momentum direction. We can see that it suffers the various kind of losses, and that losses mainly occur the transmission, the output mirror, scattering and diffraction of light active medium. So in that case, the purpose of oscillations, the essentials amplification takes place between two consecutive reflections of light. The rear end of mirror can balances the losses. So in amplification phenomena of light, the transmission of output, scattering of light, it can be differ from various directions. So it can be we can get the losses in the amplification between two consecutive reflections of light. In the at that of rear and mirror can be balances the losses. It can determine that threshold frequency can be gain, or that consider the consideration of that change in intensity takes place in the form of light beam. So it undergoing that the round trip of resonator frequency will be occurred. So we can let us consider the laser medium that fills the space between two mirrors M1 and M2. That can be reflective if reflection activity differs according to that of R1 and R2. So that mirrors can be separated by the distance L. So that can be the intensity can be defined that light beam should be I0 and at M1. So the traveling for the mirror from mirror M1 to M2, the beam of intensity increases from I0 to I of L. So that can be given by I is I0 in bracket of L, and is equal to I0 exponential form of gamma minus alpha S bracket close L. So this is the first equation. So the I0 is the intensity of light, L is the distance between two mirror occur, and exponential of is gamma and alpha rays can be according to separation between two amplification phenomena. Then after reflection becomes occur in M2, the beam intensity will be R2 I0 exponential for gamma minus alpha S in bracket close L. So we get the final intensity of that reflection. We get the after reflection M2, the intensity will be I of 2L is equal to R1 R2 e exponential of I0. So is equal to E of gamma minus alpha S 2L, equation second. So in this way we get the amplification can be obtained during the round trip. So mirror from formation of M1 to M2, the amplified the photons will be various directions. So the amplification of rounded trips we get G is equal to in bracket I of 2L upon I0. So is equal to R1 R2 exponential of gamma minus alpha s in bracket, and that in bracket closed to L. So it will be defined as the equation third. So the product of R1 and R2 represents the losses at the mirror alpha s, and that including the distribution of losses can be occur, that such a scattering and diffraction of diffraction phenomena and absorption occur for that medium. So the losses can be balances the balances by gain of intensity of it will be defined as I of 2L is equal to I0. So it can be the that conditions will be this. So R1 R2 exponential form of 2 in bracket gamma minus alpha s greater than equal to 1. It will be represented equation 4. So it will be E square exponential square gamma minus alpha s bracket close L greater than equal to 1 upon R1 by R2. It will be logarithmic taking place, but both the sides. Then we get the equation 2L in bracket gamma minus alpha s greater than equal to minus ln of R1 R2. This represents the equation 6. So gamma minus alpha s greater than equal to minus 1 upon 2L ln of R1 R2. Gamma is equal to gamma minus alpha s greater than equal to minus 1 by 2L in ln of R1 R2. So this equation 7 is represented at the known as also the condition of lasing, so that it shows the initial gain, and that can be exceed sum of losses and in that particular cavity. So that this condition can be determined threshold value of pumping energy, where is gamma is the amplification of the laser dependent of hard laser medium will be pumped. So that can be the pump power is slowly increased, that the value of white threshold means that called a threshold value is given, that will be amplification dependent of hard medium pump. That value of is called threshold gamma gamma th is a threshold value. So it will be reached the laser oscillating so that threshold value of gamma th is given by gamma threshold value is equal to alpha s plus 1 by 2L in of 1 upon R1 R2. It will be represent equation 8. So in this way the laser oscillated by the gamma is greater than equal to gamma threshold. So that equation is known as the threshold condition for lasing, and states of that net gain counter act as effect losses in that cavity. So this can be takes place, the value of gamma must be in gamma threshold laser oscillations in the form of is if gamma greater than equal to gamma threshold value, the waves will be grows from that the amplifier reaches the saturation current, so that it lowers the value gamma in the in turn, and that eventually it can be that particular equilibrium value can be gained. So that particular equilibrium value is known as the threshold value. So in this way we can prove that the how to threshold conditions appeared in that light amplification process. So it's will be clear. So any doubts, so send me comments box. So thank you.